Hi, I'm Bill Carney with ProPlugger.com, and I want to talk about plugging as an effective way to build a new lawn or repair an existing one. Building a beautiful lawn can be very rewarding, but it can also be a frustrating exercise. The cost involved with sodding can put it beyond the reach of the average homeowner. Seeding a lawn from scratch, well, that's tricky to say the least. From meticulously preparing the seed bed to nurturing the seeds along through to germination while fighting off what Mother Nature can throw as well as weeds can make it a real challenge. Plugging is a great alternative, but it takes so much time and labor that it can make it all but impossible for anything other than small repair areas or small lawns. That's really where the new ProPlugger comes in. It's designed to take a lot of the work and time out of plugging. Here's how it works. Step down on the foot pegs until they bottom out against the ground. A slight twist on the handlebars, pull straight up, and you've pulled your plug. I'm pulling plugs here that I'll be transplanting from this stand of zoysia to a bare area that needs some help. But the concept is exactly the same for cutting plugs from sod that you buy from a sod farm. As you pull the plugs, they get stacked or stored inside the shaft, and when you're ready to empty, simply turn the plugger upside down and the plugs slide out. At the pace I'm working at now, the ProPlugger can pull from 800 to 1,000 plugs an hour. As you can see, this is a fairly reasonable pace. There's no bending over or straining, and I'm not breaking much of a sweat. Okay, we're almost ready to create some holes into which we'll plant these nice new plugs. Before we do, we need to finish up with these holes that we just created. We want to always take the opportunity to add organic material to our topsoil. We're doing that here by adding coco peat discs, which are made from the husks of coconuts. They actually hold 8 times their weight in water, which helps the lawn make it through those hot, dry spells in better shape. They also provide rich organic material to help aerate the soil and the roots, which will also stimulate root growth. All you do is drop them in the holes and water the area well. They'll rehydrate to fill the holes. I'll sprinkle the area so that you can see how they work. Okay, we're ready to go plug some more holes. Again, working at that 800 to 1,000 plugs an hour pace, it doesn't take long to make the needed holes for planting our new plugs. I like to space my holes out about 6 to 7 inches apart by using the foot pegs as a guide. Press in the new plugs and don't forget to water them well. As you can see from this project, the ProPlugger has taken about 90% of the work and effort out of plugging. Visit www.ProPlugger.com to order your own ProPlugger and to start on your journey to a more beautiful lawn.